Good morning, Miss Noor. How are you?
Good morning, Miss Isti. I'm great. How are you?
I'm great as well. And Miss Noor, as you request last week, I have invited a supplier of the best agarwood I could find. And yeah, this is Miss Sekar, our potential agarwood supplier from Kalimantan, Indonesia. And she will give us a presentation today related to the offer of agarwood as raw material for our new proven products.
Nice to meet you, Miss Nur. My name is Sekar, and I'm a supplier of the best quality agarwood in Kalimantan. So I really hope to be able to provide you with valuable information and assistance today, especially in finding the best agarwood for your new product.
That's really awesome. Thank you so much, Miss Isti, for your hard work. And nice to meet you, Miss Sekar. Welcome to our meeting. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Noor. I am responsible for guiding the meeting and monitoring the progress of the new project as a secretary to Miss Rahmah, our project leader. And I'm looking forward to your presentation today, Miss Sekar.
Thank you, Miss Nur.
By the way, Miss Isti and Miss Sekar, I just received an information that at this meeting, Miss Rahmah will be late because of personal reason. And I also need to reply to messages from her as soon as possible. You know, secretary things, so please wait for a moment.
I'm really sorry for the interruption, Miss Isti and Miss Nur. But it's been 30 minutes we've been waiting. So is there any information?
Yes, Miss Sekar, Miss Rahmah will come to today's meeting, but as I said before, she is dealing with some personal thing first, so please wait for a while.
Oh, all right. Thank you, Miss Nur. Sorry for the interruption.
No problem, Miss Sekar. Oh, she's already here.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam, Miss.
Okay, so first of all, I really apologize for my lateness. I have a lot of things to do, like, my son isn't in a good health condition and he's got a fever since yesterday, so I need to take care of him for a while. And yeah, a mom's duty, so I hope you are okay with that. And anyway, I think we have someone new here. Am I right?
Yes, Miss Rahmah, this is Miss Sekar, our potential agarwood supplier from Kalimantan, Indonesia. She is the one who will give us a presentation about an offer of the agarwood today. Miss Sekar, please introduce yourself to Miss Rahmah.
Thank you, Miss Nur. Nice to meet you, Miss Rahmah. I'm Sekar, a supplier of the best agarwood in Kalimantan, Indonesia. Today, I will give you a presentation about my high quality agarwood. I really hope the presentation would give you valuable information and assistance to finding the best agarwood for your new product.
Oh, wait. So you're telling me that you're from Kalimantan? Mashallah, I have some acquaintances there. About 2 years ago, my family and I, for the first time, went to Kalimantan for a summer vacation. But unfortunately, as I remember, we didn't explore Kalimantan that much because we've got a poor travel agent and I wasn't familiar with the location. And of course, I think you know what happened next.
That's too bad. In fact, there are a lot of interesting places that you can visit in Kalimantan.
Yeah, I know, right? So, how about can you give me some recommendations of tourism in Kalimantan or maybe the best travel agent there?
All right, Miss.
MashaAllah, thank you very much for the very valuable and fascinating information, Ms. Sekar. I really appreciate that. I can't wait to come to Kalimantan again and get a greater experience there.
You're welcome, Miss Rahmah. By the way, Miss, shall we start the presentation now?
Oh, you're right, the presentation. Sure, you can start now, Ms. Sekar.
All right, Miss. Thank you. I will do screen sharing first.
I'm so sorry. Please wait for a sec. الو نورم، ايش تبغى؟ عندي ميتنج الحين. ليش؟ ماما مريضة؟ طيب أنا أروح أنا الحين. شكرا مع السلامة. نعم. So yeah, everybody, I'm so sorry for the interruption just now. My brother told me that my mom has got sick for all of a sudden, so I need to look after her as soon as possible. All right, maybe we should end the meeting today, and Ms. Sekar, I will make sure to see your presentation in the next meeting. And the schedule and the matters related to it will be taken care of by Miss Nur, so don't hesitate to communicate with her, okay?
All right, Ms. Rama, thank you so much for coming today. I hope your mother gets well soon.
Once again, I want to say thank you very much for today's meeting. I leave it to you, Miss Nur. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Waalaikumsalam. Yeah, so Miss Isti and Miss Sekar, I think we should end the meeting today, or actually we just postpone the presentation by Miss Sekar to the next meeting. Thank you so much for joining and waiting for quite a long time in this meeting. And I will provide all the information regarding to the next meeting via email, and please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Thank you so much and see you soon. I'll leave first. Wassalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Halo Bu Sekar, izin meminta waktunya sebentar ya Bu. Sebelumnya, terima kasih telah membantu saya dengan mengikuti rapat yang baru. Mungkin terlebih dahulu saya izin bertanya, bagaimana perasaan dan pendapat Bu Sekar terkait dengan rapat kita barusan?
Tidak masalah Ibu Isti, Alhamdulillah saya merasa senang karena mendapat sambutan yang sangat ramah dari Ibu Isti dan tim. Tetapi mungkin masih ada beberapa hal yang masih asing bagi saya Ibu Isti, sehingga saya agak bingung untuk melakukan respon yang tepat.
Alhamdulillah, kalau begitu mungkin bisa Ibu sampaikan hal-hal apa saja yang masih asing bagi Ibu agar bisa saya bantu.
Saya ingin memastikan saja Ibu Isti, apakah rapat sebelumnya itu memberikan sinyal yang baik bagi kelanjutan kerjasama yang baru saja akan kita coba, karena sejujurnya saya khawatir dengan indikasi-indikasi ketidaktertarikan seperti adanya penundaan dan topik pembicaraan di luar konteks bisnis yang bisa saya bilang cukup banyak.
Begitu ya Bu. Baik Bu Sekar, saya rasa Ibu tidak perlu khawatir tentang beberapa hal yang terjadi selama rapat sebelumnya. Sebagaimana yang kita ketahui, atasan saya Miss Nur dan Miss Rahma ini kan merupakan orang Arab, memiliki karakteristik polikronik, yang tentunya memiliki perbedaan dengan kita. Dalam budaya polikronik ini, waktu memang dipandang lebih fleksibel, sehingga bisa dibilang keterlambatan, penundaan, dan beberapa distraksi seperti telepon sangat mungkin terjadi. Namun sisi baiknya, saya melihat bahwa Miss Rahma sudah melalui pembicaraan di luar konteks bisnis yang mendominasi rapat kita sebelumnya. Dalam budaya polikronik, ikatan personal merupakan hal yang sangat penting, sehingga perlu menjadi fokus dalam rapat awal. Jadi saya rasa Ibu sudah bekerja dengan cukup baik hari ini.
Masya Allah, saya baru tahu kalau ternyata seperti itu ya Ibu Isti. Alhamdulillah kalau begitu saya jadi lega. Lalu Bu, sampai kapan ikatan personal ini harus terus dibangun? Bukankah kita juga perlu membahas penawaran bisnis yang telah dibuat?
Untuk ini, Ibu juga tidak perlu khawatir. Alhamdulillah, Miss Nur telah menjadwalkan beberapa pertemuan ke depannya, sehingga kita masih memiliki banyak waktu. Sebagaimana yang telah saya sebutkan tadi, dalam meeting budaya polikronik ini waktu dipandang secara fleksibel dan ikatan personal merupakan hal terpenting, sehingga ada baiknya kita juga tidak terlalu begitu kaku dengan jadwal yang ada, karena apabila ikatan personal sudah terjalin dengan baik, insya Allah kesepakatan yang diharapkan dapat diwujudkan.
Baik Bu Isti, Alhamdulillah saya sudah paham dengan pemaparan Ibu. Kedepannya saya akan mencoba lebih baik lagi dalam menyesuaikan diri dengan budaya polikronik ini. Saya mohon bantuannya Ibu Isti.
Baik Bu Sekar, apakah ada lagi yang dapat saya bantu?
Sejauh ini belum ada lagi Bu Isti.
Kalau begitu, karena tidak ada lagi hal yang perlu kita diskusikan, saya akan menutup Zoom meeting kita hari ini. Selanjutnya saya akan mengabari Ibu terkait update yang diberikan oleh Miss Nur. Terima kasih banyak Bu Sekar.
Terima kasih banyak juga Ibu Isti.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.